Please like, comment, subscribe to this video so you can be getting more crypto related videos and contents, even blockchain related content and stuff like that. All of these are under the Web3, and I'm sure you don't want to miss them. As a crypto enthusiast that you are, or as a crypto guru that you are, as a tech guru that you are, we all need these in the information age. So it's necessary you stay up to date with the informations that I'll be bringing your way. Crypto is a short form for cryptocurrency, and it refers to digital or virtual currencies, which uses cryptography to secure communication, and it is decentralized. Decentralized meaning that it doesn't have any control, or it's not under the control of any government or financial institutions. Cryptography refers to the practice or study of techniques used to secure information in the digital age. Yes, so it is used to protect the confidentiality, the integrity, and authenticity of communications or informations in the digital age. Now, what could be the characteristics of crypto? Because as a beginner, you need to know the basics of crypto before you are able to invest or go into the crypto world. The characteristics of crypto is that it is decentralized. That's the very first thing you need to know. And I made a video on decentralization, so you need to go and check it out. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not under the control of any government or financial institutions. Yes, and then the second characteristic of crypto is that its transactions are fast and global. Global is that it can be received and sent to any nation of the world. It is a worldwide transaction platform. And then crypto is secure. It uses advanced cryptography for securing of informations. And also another characteristics of crypto is that it is a digital currency, meaning that it only exists in electronic form. And another characteristics is that it has limited supply. Crypto has limited supply. Yes, so limited supply of coins and tokens. Now, what are the uses of crypto? You are considering investing in crypto. You don't really know what crypto is actually used for. Okay. Crypto is used for investing. That's the very first use of crypto I would like you to know. But this investment is based on the price fluctuations or market prices. Yes, because the prices of crypto assets are not fixed. No, they are not fixed. They fluctuate. We are coming to that. We will talk about the risks, because every business has its risks. Yes. So another use of crypto is for smart contracts. Yeah, I'll make a video on smart contracts. Another use of crypto is for decentralized finance and also for fast and secure transactions. Now, what are the risks of crypto? The risks of crypto, the very first risk is the volatility. That is the fluctuation in prices, the changes in prices. That is the very first risk. So, in a few moments, you could see the trend is in the red, showing that the price is going down. Some other time, you can see the trend going in the green, showing that the price is actually going up. So there's price fluctuations, and it is determined by what happens in the market, the investments and the withdrawals, every activity. That is why it is decentralized, and it is built on a blockchain technology such that every transaction is being recorded. You can't manipulate anything. And another risk of crypto is the security risk. Yes, it uses advanced cryptography for security, but you can expose yourself to security risks in the sense that when you share your information, your details, your login details, your wallet details. For example, there are some wallets that work with key phrases. When you expose this key phrase to another party that is not trusted, you have exposed your wallet. Automatically, you have exposed your wallet. So the security risks includes fraud, theft, and hacking. Yes. So all of this only happens when you have exposed your details. It's very paramount to keep your crypto details secret. Secret. Keep them a secret. Do not share. Even if someone requests for it, please do not share. As a beginner, you don't want to lose your funds. As a beginner, you don't want to start crying over finances that have gone lost. Now, cryptocurrencies are of various types. The very first type of cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin. We've all heard of the Bitcoin. It is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. The second types of cryptocurrencies are the altcoins, also known as the alternative coins. Yes, so they are like the Ethereum, the Litecoin, and then the Monero. Another type of cryptocurrency is the token. They are built on various blockchains. So we have the ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, what are the tips you need to know when investing as a beginner in cryptocurrency? The very first thing you need to know in starting your crypto journey is knowledge. You need to learn. You really need to learn. Learn the basics of crypto, the things you need to know, those terms, those key terms, those words, those phrases. If you're following me closely, you will be learning so many things, so many basic knowledge of crypto. The second thing is that you get your wallet. Yes, crypto works with wallet, just like we have the banks. So you need to get your wallet ready. Like we have various wallets like the BitGet, the Bybit, the Binance, and so many wallets out there. But while getting this wallet, it is paramount, I say again, that you keep your details confidential. Yes, if possible, do not just store them on your phone. Get a personal book where you write them down, because there are times you'll be required to log in with those key phrases. And if you don't, it will be seen that that wallet doesn't belong to you. Automatically, the system will read that you are not the owner of that wallet. The third thing there in the crypto journey is after getting your wallet, you can now begin to buy or mine. Is either you buy coins or you mine them. There are various coins you could buy and then hold them after some time. Those coins, the value may not worth it now, but they will gain value over time. That is crypto for you. Crypto needs patience. You need to be very patient. A coin that you buy today may take the next 2-3 years to have value. Just like the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, over when it was first created, didn't have value. But now, Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin is massive. People are gaining from it. Companies that invested into Bitcoin are gaining from it. Then the last thing you need to know for now as a beginner investing in crypto is you have to stay informed. You have to stay informed. Engage, join communities. There are communities on Telegram, there are communities on WhatsApp, there are platforms. You can join Discord, Twitter, join crypto communities where you will be receiving information. You stay updated with the latest trend in the crypto world. You don't have to be an island. No man is an island in this journey. In this business of crypto, no man is an island. So you need to stay engaged with communities. Lastly, I would like to add this for beginners that are willing to invest in crypto. The money of the rich is patience, while the money of the poor is impatience. If you are not patient in this crypto journey, you can't start it. You can't go into it. And please, do not borrow loans to go into crypto, because the markets really deal with your emotions. But do not be moved by market sentiments. Do not be moved. Do not even, what I do is that I don't involve my emotions in crypto. In my crypto business, I don't involve my emotions. I just keep emotions aside so that I'll be able to focus. I'll be able to comport myself. And do not borrow money. Do not use money used for family expenses to invest in crypto. As I said, crypto requires patience. And for you to become wealthy, you need to take risks. You may buy a coin today and you may not see value until 2 years time, 3 years time, or you need to take risks. if you really want to enjoy this crypto journey. And also, we are currently in the bull run season. So people will be making money at different times in the bull run season. You may be hearing, buy this coin or hold. Yes, it is actually what is flying everywhere in the bull run season. That's why you have to stick to a trusted community. A trusted community. If you need one, let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to share some of the communities I'm into with you. Also, there will be fluctuations in the market. There will be fluctuations in the market, but these price fluctuations only come so that it can drive away those that are not serious. So you will panic and say, the money I put there, I'm not seeing anything. It is even going down. You will now rush to withdraw everything. You're not ready for this crypto journey. You're not ready. So investments requires patience, and this is all what crypto is all about. It requires patience. It is not a Ponzi scheme. Crypto is not a Ponzi scheme. It requires patience, and also use idle funds that you know are not loans, and then they are not meant for family expenses. Use idle funds. This way you'll be more calm in this crypto journey. And I wish you all the best, even as you're investing in your crypto journey. Bye.